Hello everyone, I'm back after a while. So uh, from now I will try to post videos in every week so that we can learn together different to solve different problems in QGIS and remote sensing. So today I'm here to talk about a very small problem, but this problem is very important problem. Uh, And you can see there are 7 problems in this list, but I'm not going to solve all of the problems. But if you want me to solve all of the problems, and if you want me to show how to solve all of the problems, please let me know in the comment box, and I will show you how to solve other problems as well. But today we're going to talk about the problem number 4, which is uh, which want us that which African country lies on the equator. And don't worry about the data. I will post the link of the data in the comment section. So please check the comment section for the data. And if you can solve other problems as well, please let me know. And if you are stuck in any kind of problems, also you can mm, comment, and I will try to respond as soon as possible. So let's start to solve the problem number 4. Okay, I have QGIS open in my machine. So to solve this problem, we need countries of the world. So we have all of the countries in the world. Now another shapefile we need is equator. So because the problem says we have to find all of the countries that lies on the equator. So how can we solve this problem? So at first we have to draw a equator line. So how can we draw an equator line? I can show you. At first we have to create a new polygon, new line shapefile. Okay, let's name it equator. Let's do it equator 1. Okay, and the geometry type will be line, and let's keep it same. Okay, okay, so let's create a line first. Editor mode and line. Okay, we just created a line. That we created a random line, and we don't know the coordinates of this line, but we know the coordinates of the equator. So the coordinates of the equator would be uh, from minus 180 degree to plus 180 degree. So we have to change the coordinate, and we can do it, but the problem is how can we do it? So let me show you how can we do it. And let's okay, so there is another, sorry, there is a function called vector tool, and we can select the line. Okay, we selected the line, and wait, sorry, we can select the current vector tool, current layer. Okay. So when we will click vector tool on the uh, current line, you can see in the window like me, and when you will right click on this edge, you will you will get a box like this. From this box you can see the coordinates of the of a line. So in this case the coordinates is minus 195 degree and minus 196 degree, but we can edit this coordinate. So for the equator line we have to change it to 180 minus 180, and y coordinate is 0. 0, and this one is plus 180 and 0. So okay, great. So this is the equator, and we just solved one problem. So now we have equator line, and okay, so now we have equator line and the countries. So now we need to know those. So let's see the problem again. Which African countries lies in the equator? Okay, we have to find the African countries. So at first we have to find African countries. Okay, in this case we can make a simple query and find all of the African countries. So let me show you the attribute table so that we can assume from where we can make a query. Okay, there are lots of attributes. So we are looking for the continents, right? Okay, where is the continent? Do we have continent here? Hopefully we have. Yes, I think, yeah, we have continent here. Okay. Okay, great. So now we can make a query. From where we can make query? Let's go to the attribute table and make query from here. Okay, so fields and oh sorry, fields and value, and from fields and value we have to have continents. So continent, we are looking for continent. Yeah, we have continent equal, so we can also get all the unique values and Africa, and now when we click we will get all of the African countries are selected. So okay, let's make a new shapefile, export it, export shape selected feature as, and let's make it continent Africa. Okay, we don't need whole countries of the world, so we need we have our we narrow down our problems. So we have Africa, all the countries in Africa, and we have Equator as well. So now we need to find all of the countries that lies on the equator. We can do it in different way. So one is like we can select this country, this country, this country, and that, but we have to do it manually, and it is a laborious task. And we can do it within a few seconds in a simple query. So how do we do that? So select by location. So continent Africa and comparing with equator. So there is crosses, equator lies means equator crosses to the countries. Okay, let's run this query. We will get, yeah, now we got all the countries, and that lies on equator. Let's create a new shapefile, equatorial countries. Equatorial countries. Okay, great. So we solved the problem These are the equatorial countries. So this is how we can solve the problems. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you want me to show other problems as well, please let me know, and subscribe my channel, give like if you like it, and I will be making new videos for you as well.